So we have a Spincraft Heirloom tree stand, rotating tree stand. This is my personal one, and it stopped rotating. You can hear the motor spinning, but it's not spinning. The stand is not turning anymore. The music works, but it's a little slow. So we're going to turn it over and see why it's no longer spinning. So be sure to have it unplugged. I turned it over, and to get this apart, if you look, you'll see a C-clip here. And what you want to do is get a pair of pliers and just pull that C-clip off. So let's do that. There we go. Side, and we're going to turn the stand over and get this cover off. There we go. Just lift it up, and there you see that's the gear that causes it to spin when it mates with the motor. This is the power race for the lights, a commutator. Okay, and there's part of the problem right here. It looks like the belt broke, so we'll have to get that replaced. The music box is running slow, so we're going to lubricate these points here. Check it out. Check out the gears. Give it a little lubricant. Also want to clean these rollers and put some lube on them as well. So, I also have purchased some new belts. I'm going to keep a couple in stock. That is purchased from Ken's Electronics, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this new belt in place. First I'll plug it in. You can see what's going on. Turn it on and rotate. And you can see the motor is just spinning. Let's add that new belt. There we go. Looks good. Turn that on. There we are. And it is spinning the main gear, which is going to mate with that large gear, that large metal gear. So next, what I'll do is I'll clean these up and maybe lubricate the music box and see how it works. Okay, so I lubricated the motor and changed the belt. Let's turn it on and see what we have here. Rotate. Okay, music. Sounds better. Sounds a little faster, like it should. So I think that's it. We'll put it back together and should be ready to go for next year. Okay, so we have it back together. C-clips installed. Incidentally, this screw is for tightening and loosening the belt, but I found it to be in exact right spot. I'm just going to leave it. Outside of that, it is it's ready to go. Let's turn this over. Another test. There we go. it's spinning like it should, nice and slow. Music box sounds like it's right at the right speed. That's it. Well, I hope this helps you guys in repairing your tree stand.